The large fires burning across Colorado right now are going to cost taxpayers at least $250 million, according to new estimates from state fire managers. The state's drought task force has been briefed on 13 fires in Colorado. There are hundreds of fire crews, dozens of bulldozers, dozens of aircraft out working, and the cost is adding up. The current 90-day projection for the fire response and recovery costs is about $166 million, and that is just for the 4 largest fires burning right now.
The financial impacts on things that cascade from drought impacts and so forth are tremendous. And in light of cutting $2.5 billion out of the state's budget over the past 15 or 18 months, that's a very notable number.
The firefighters are optimistic about the progress being made against those large fires this week, but conditions are not great. Many of those fires, like the Aspen Acres fire down near Pueblo, are in rough terrain, and 90% of the state is bone dry right now from drought.